Hi, this is Bob Johnson Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we'll be replacing the memory or RAM in your Dell Latitude E7240. The same process will go for the E7250 as well. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over and remove the battery. There's a little latch here that allows the battery to be released. Now there are two screws on each side holding down the bottom cover. Once removed, you can slide the cover off, exposing the RAM. The two RAM stick slots are right here in the center, right next to each other. Now you just want to separate the bracket, and now you can replace or upgrade. Since it's just an example, I'll put this perfectly good RAM right back in. You want to make sure that it snaps back into place, and we're all done. Slide the cover back on, screw it down. And thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.